Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effect in Crossy Road. If you want to go ahead and enjoy the Crossy Road game without any sound effect, then the first thing you want to do is to launch open the Crossy Road app. After you have the app open, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Now, you will then be able to see this interface where you'll need to tap on the mute button. After you tap on mute, close the menu and go back and enjoy playing the game without sound. That is how you can easily disable sound in Crossy Road. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.